Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make slow cooker barbacoa. This is such an easy, delicious meal. I'll be showing you how to serve this over rice to make your own chipotle barbacoa rice bowl from home. Let's get started. We're using chuck roast for this recipe. We're going to start by cutting the meat into huge chunks. Once you've cut up the chuck roast, go ahead and grab your slow cooker, then place the cut up meat into it. Season the meat with some dried oregano, ground cumin, ground cloves. We're also adding minced onion, minced garlic. In this bowl, I have some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. You can find this in a can at your local grocery store. We're going to add that to the meat. Also in this bowl, I have some green chilies. You can also find this in a can at your local grocery store. Next, we're going to add the juice from one whole lime. Season with a generous amount of salt and black pepper. Then mix everything together. Once everything is very well mixed in, add a few dried bay leaves. Place the slow cooker lid on, then let it slow cook for 6 to 8 hours. Once the meat has finished slow cooking, we're going to take the meat out of the slow cooker, then transfer it onto a separate plate. Next, with the help of 2 forks, we're going to shred the meat. The meat is extremely tender, so it should be very easy to shred. Once the meat is all shredded, we're going to transfer it back into the slow cooker. Go ahead and mix everything together. Then we're going to finish this off with some freshly chopped cilantro. This slow cooker barbacoa came out so delicious and flavorful. My favorite way to serve this barbacoa is over some white rice. Then I add some pinto beans, corn, sour cream, some salsa, and a sprinkle of cheese. This is so delicious and it tastes just like chipotle rice barbacoa bowl. Another way I like to serve the barbacoa is to put it on a wrap. Then add your favorite toppings. I'm adding avocado, sour cream, cheese sauce, and cilantro. This is also such a delicious way to enjoy the barbacoa. If you guys would like to try this barbacoa recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!